I mean, I feel like there's just so much momentum right now. Seeing this building going up is just the next step. And I can really envision it.
This is a big building, but we've got a big product. This side of the building is all the composite work. And we'll be one of the most advanced composite manufacturers in the world. We'll have 5 or 6 Seagliders lined up, and it'll take that entire space as we fit out all of the interiors and we put in all of the electronics and the avionics. Now they're putting all the underground electrical in as they get ready to pour the slab coming from this direction.
This is the office, right? Or at least that's the office?
The office will be over in that side.
Yeah.
This will be the tool storage area over here. And then the composite clean room is over here. Cranes that run the entire length of the middle bay.
Yeah.
It's a lot of equipment.
Yeah.
But it's a lot of people too. We'll be hiring a few hundred, could be up to 300.
And we're going to need it. I mean, we have that 10 billion in backlog. We got a lot of customers,
Yeah.
commercial and defense, waiting for our Seagliders.
Yeah.